Hi guys, and welcome back to another Squarespace tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can show text over an image on a hover on Squarespace. This will be very easy, and even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to do this. Now with all of that being said, please consider leaving a like on the video if this helps you out, and let's just get started right away. Alright, you want to navigate to the Squarespace menu and then go to Edit, where you can edit your website. If you then scroll down, you'll find a section, and I'm just going to add a brand new image. So if I simply click right here, I can add an image. Let's see, there we go. And I can then upload an image. Now, of course, if you already have an image, you don't want to upload one, but you simply want to edit one, all right? So let me just go with this image right here. Let me open it. It's then going to upload, and then once Squarespace is done processing this, it will be there. And there we go. All right, so they just created, processed the image. What you want to do next is go to design, and this is where the magic happens, and then scroll down. Right there you'll see caption below. You'll also see do not display caption, and then you'll also see caption overlay on hover, and that's what we need. So click right there. That's perfect. Then next up you can write a caption. So write a caption here. So this is where you can then use that text. You can go with a paragraph or a heading as well. For example, this is what we would do. Let's center it. There we go. If you then click apply, this is now showing up, right? So if you don't hover on it, like if you're not clicking on it, but if you then hover on it, the text will show up. Now that's one way to do it, but let's just customize this even further by adding some code. Now make sure you save this so that it actually saves, right? But next up, let's go into settings. And then let's go to, let's see where the custom CSS is at. It's probably not here, is it? No, let me go back. That's my bad, guys. Then click on design right there. And then all the way down below, you'll find custom CSS. What you want to do, and I'll leave some code in the description down below, is add this code over here to make it transparent, right? So let's see, where's that code? Right there. I'll leave that in the description down below. So if you then paste that in here, what's going to happen is that if you hover on this, the text will be transparent. You can see that it now shows up right here, and it's transparent versus what it previously was, is that it's not transparent, and it will show up right here at the bottom. So that's one thing you can do. You can also add this code to change the text color, because right now, I mean, it is visible, but it's not great, right? So if you would pretty much like paste this code, it would become black, and you can change that right here, all right? So let's say you want to do that, you can change the color, all right? But yeah, that's pretty much what you can do in order to let's see, save, in order to make the text visible on a image, right? So let's go back, and that's pretty much it. So right now what we've done is we've added text on our image on the overlay. So yeah, if this video helps you out, guys, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video. I would appreciate that. If you have any questions about Squarespace, then just leave them in the comment section down below. I'll answer it if I see it, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.